feel like it tastes like food. But one, we got a steak. I love the keep. These are gonna look so way. Very
You breeze in the morning, every step is so golden. Oh yeah, breathing you slowly. I never thought you would open up for me. I promise I will give you the love that you want. Can you tell me the truth? 'Cause I'm longing for you, girl. I need to know what's on your mind. There's no reason to choose, 'cause
Hello girls! Welcome to a summer day of my life vlog. Honestly, today's just going to be very much a realistic day of my life. Just officially wrapped up the full morning routine, took a shower, washed my hair, straightened it, put in some fresh Lexi hair extensions. I'm so happy. I just have 2 3 clips, 2 clips, and then all the single clips in. Oh, there's nothing better than a fresh pack of hair extensions. Ooh, it's so good. I have a code, by the way, if you want to get some new extensions for summer. As for the agenda for today, I'm not gonna lie to you, my plans have already changed like a million times. Originally, I thought I was gonna try to go out to the pool, get some reading done, because we have a crazy week. You and me. We have a crazy week ahead. I have a lot of work. Does that mean we're gonna relax? Absolutely not. No. If anything, that means we're gonna kick it into high gear because I cannot get behind this week. Like, I will actually lose my head. So we need to stay on top of things today. That means no pool, unfortunately. I also have so much PR in my office. The boxes are just piling up. So I think we're just gonna open those up together today. We might have to go to the grocery store, girl. I don't know. And tell me how we're gonna do all this because it's already 3:16 p.m. I wish I was kidding. Thankfully, I've already gone through my emails. I got a little bit of work done. First thing we're gonna do though is open up my Quince packages. I've been wanting to order off the site for so long. I got some like really classy pieces. I'm talking linen. There's a new leather tote in here. And Quince actually sent these over to me. So before we dive into anything too serious, I'm gonna try on some new clothes. I have some of the cutest pieces to show you. I'm just gonna show you everything, try it on, give you the scoop. I will have everything linked in the description box down below. Starting off with this cute little linen moment. This is actually a separate tube top and shorts. I just put them together. But how gorgeous is this, you guys? These are both 100% European linen. I made sure to grab really good, high quality wardrobe staples because that is what Quince is all about. Literally, they focus on quality first, price second. So all of their items are made from the highest quality fabrics. I'm talking 100% organic cotton, 100% silk, 100% Italian leather, 100% European linen. You get it. These jeans in particular are the jeans of my dreams. I specifically was on the hunt for a good mid-rise flare pant, and these are fabulous. I got them in white. And then this silk button down. You guys know how passionate I am about button downs. Yeah, this one's real silk. It has the extra button if you want to do a little cuff moment. So stunning and looks absolutely gorgeous as an additional layer to anything. And guys, this is the pièce de résistance, the Italian leather tote. I teased this on my Instagram story. I have been pinning versions of this on my Pinterest, and I didn't even realize Quince had one until I was on the site. And oh my goodness, it is the bag of my dreams. I cannot wait to take her on a little coffee date to get some work done. And then this linen vest and linen skirt combo with the silk button down, so gorgeous. I could not be more thrilled with everything. Dare I say 10 out of 10 across the board. I will have all of the items linked in the description box down below. I'm filming some quick little TikToks, as you can see, because girl, the day's almost gone and the videos that I have to edit in my camera roll are gonna take me hours on end. So sometimes it's just easier for me to like film a quick little trend. That way I can post it right away. That's my little posting strategy if I'm in a pinch. But after I post this, we're gonna go get our groceries because I did order those off camera earlier. I was gonna go to the grocery store with you guys and do like a little grocery montage, but like to be freaking honest with you, it's just so much more time efficient to order grocery pickup. We'll get out of the house a little, but then we're gonna come right back and I need to get to some chores. And guys, Mason, his schedule is so random and he already ate. So I was like, I'm going to the grocery store. I should just pick up something delicious for myself. Like, it's rare that I'm making dinner for just myself. You guys know I just started eating meat again recently. Well, in December. I am gonna get myself a little steak. Well, I already ordered it, so I'm gonna pick it up with the groceries. But I'm gonna cook myself a steak tonight. I might do like a baked potato with it and like a nice salad and like really do it up. And also, I've never cooked a steak before, like in my adult life. So I'm excited to cook a steak in my kitchen with you guys. Anyways, I'm gonna post this and then let's go get the groceries.
Girl, you got me down so bad. I can't say enough. She pull up with that new thing.
Hi, how are ya?
Please don't fall in love, 'cause I think of you all day. Yeah, I was running through my brain.
Oh my god, you guys, this freaking lip gloss, by the way, is so fire. It's the YSL Beauty Lip Plumping Oil Gloss. Just started using the purple one. I'm literally obsessed. Like, I always have such a problem trying to find a good lip gloss that looks good without lip liner. And in the summer, like, I'm not trying to do a full beat. So this is like becoming my no lip liner lip gloss. It's so fire. I've been using a different shade. I actually mentioned the shade in my summer essentials video. Side note, if you don't want to spend money on the YSL version, L'Oreal makes one that's like the exact same. So good, so good. Look, such a pretty color. Has like a little bit of a shimmer to it, but like does absolutely plump the lips like crazy. You would think the purple would look nuts, but it's actually like a nice like nude. I don't know, I love it, I love it. Anyways, back home, because we got a steak to cook.
Me thinking about forever, gotta crush, crush, crush on you. I just wanna be your only crush, crush, crush on you. I'm not the type, give it in, read it out to your mind. Let me tell you now, I gotta crush, crush, crush on you. When I was looking outside, girl, you got me lost in your eyes. I got you when you're falling. Just know that I will be here for love. Thinking of you all day, yeah. Running in my head, all or nothing. 'Cause I just know you got me thinking about forever. Gotta crush, crush, crush on you. I just wanna be your only crush, crush, crush on you. I'm not the type, give it in, read it out to your mind. Let me tell you now, I gotta crush, crush, crush on you.
Okay, fridge is stocked. Dishwasher is washing. And it's already 8:11 p.m. I still want to open some PR with you guys though, mainly because this is the situation in my office right now. Guys, we need to do a declutter with me. Like, don't even get me started. I'm starting to get the itch. I'm gonna do this like so low budget. I'm about to use my phone as a flashlight for lighting. Hey, that's not bad. Okay. Box number one. Here we go. A shampoo and conditioner. That's cute. Ooh, a little Jazoo. Oops, I opened this the wrong way. Boom, baby. NARS. Shut up. Guys, this is like some of the best freaking concealer on the market. The NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. This used to be my all-time favorite. I just haven't used her in forever. Oh my god. These little like concealer pots. Just in time for summer. We got the Ultra Sheer Face Liquid Sunscreen and the Ultra Sheer Face Stick. You guys, Tatcha. Freaking Tatcha. Their rice cleanser. I've talked about it before, but it's been years. It's literally my favorite, and I already know it's in here. Oh wait, there's like a lot in here. Here's the rice wash. Here she is, here she is, here she is. Tatcha branded hair clips. Are you joking me? Dewy Skin Mist. A silk sunscreen. Shut up. They gave me a freaking lip mask. Yes. Lancome. I remember when this came to my house, it was torrentially downpouring. Stop it. Is this Paris Hilton? Oh no, guys. It's a poster of Paris Hilton and it's real. The heiress herself. Stop. There's like a beauty maze on the back. It's just like the magazines we used to read when we were kids. Stop. Shut the F up. Oh, I love to keep these in like my gym bag, or I always keep one in my car. I just love me a good little juicy lip gloss. Mason Margiela. Oh, it's their new summer fragrance. Bright citrus fragrance that captures the feeling of a vibrant summer escape. Oh, that is fresh. You know when you walk into Lush the store, it smells like that. Monday hair care. Cute for dry and dull hair. Yep, that's me. These are gonna look so freaking cute in my shower. Okay, I think it's officially time to cook a freaking steak. You know, things are getting serious when the laptop makes her way to the kitchen. I gotta look up how to cook a steak like the right way. Gonna let the steak rest for 30 minutes. In the meantime, gonna bake up a few potatoes. Just making these as basic as possible. And then I'm probably just gonna load them up with like sour cream, cheddar, green onion, salt and pepper. Yeah. This is kind of nice. I don't remember the last time I made dinner for just myself. It's like a little solo date almost, but at home. I wanted to update you guys on the audiobook I've been listening to because it's so good so far. If you follow me on Fable, I'm so sorry. I have to update that. I am like 8 books behind and I'm probably not even exaggerating. But right now I'm listening to Beautiful Ugly. I absolutely love it so far. I love the setting. I love the tone. Very intriguing, and I didn't think it would be, seeing as the majority of the book is from the guy's perspective. But like, it's good. It's good. It's on this like Scottish island and this guy's a writer. His wife disappeared a year ago. He never got the answers. Like, he keeps thinking he's seeing her around in this like strange foreign land. It's so cool. It's so cool. But anyways, I'm gonna listen to this. Hey Alexa, play my Audible.
They converse without words. My task. I suppose that Sandy will swirl around I've heard this. But one of the benefits of having no bear, bios only meet each other, got a lot of it. The fireflies that have pierced wood and dirt gone. Sandy looks powder about them. Only a little whiskey, being alone out here this night. Relieved. The island go, which would it never happen? I'm losing precious.
Oh yeah, nailed it.
You're loving it. Completely different from like the F.
God, yes, that was so much fun. Whew, what a day. Somehow it's already 11 p.m. And I feel like we've barely talked, which is sad because I'm usually like 24/7 in these. This is typically the moment where I'm like, oh, let's just film tomorrow too. We'll just make the day of my life vlog a 2 days of my life vlog. That's literally what I do every single time. But I can't even do that this week. Like, I have no extra time. Oh my gosh, by the way, freaking obsessed with this tank. I got it from Amazon. Comes down to about, like, it's not totally cropped. It comes down to about like here. It doesn't come down much further, so if you have low-rise pants on, it's perfect. Or you can tuck it in like I did. I'm freaking obsessed. It's like snatchy, but it's not too tight, very breathable. The one thing I'm not obsessed with is that the hardware is silver. Like, I wish it was just black and match the tank top, but that's just getting really picky. But the fit is amazing. It does not have a shelf bra though. Yeah, I'm gonna link this for you, and I'm gonna link the other white one that I got. And these shorts are super freaking old, from Princess Polly. They're the Swala shorts, I believe they're called. If I can still find them on their site, I will link them for you, because I believe they like typically keep those restocked, if I'm not mistaken. Dude, I'm trying so hard to get this freaking bracelet off. Kill me. Anyways, back to what I was saying. Whether I like it or not, it's time for bed. So we're just gonna do some self-care together, which is typically how we like to end the vlogs anyway, so that's perfect. And I can show you what I use to take off my makeup. Right now, I'm using this guy by Bubble. It's the Magic Melt Micellar Milk, or the L'Occitane Micellar Water. This stuff is so freaking good. Actually, yeah, let's just use this. And there go my eyebrows. It was nice knowing ya. Well, since I'm probably not gonna have time to do like a proper reading update post self-care, let's just do one now. I already told you guys about my audiobook. Love that. And I am still reading The Dixon Rule, but I'm almost done. Oh shoot, the book is in my beach bag because I've been reading it at the pool. I mean, you guys know I love Elle Kennedy books. Like, I've never not given an Elle Kennedy book 5 stars. It's no exception with this book. Like, it's still so good. I actually think I might like this book better out of all of them, solely because I really relate to the main character in this one, Diana. Like, she has a dance background, she's got a type A personality, she's very ambitious, but she's still super girly. And the book boyfriend, Shane Lindley. We love him, we love him, we love him. Elle Kennedy's book boyfriends are literally the greatest. Like, I don't know how she just keeps giving us one after another, after another, after another. Like, perfect man, perfect man, perfect man. I don't know how she does it. I don't know how she does it. God bless her, though. God bless her. Just keep going with the L'Occitane theme. Oh, wait, no. You know what? Let's use some new skincare. Yeah, girl. We're busting straight into this rice wash. Oh, my. Ooh. Have you ever seen anything more beautiful? I'm so excited to use this right now. You have no freaking idea. It's been too long, baby girl. It's been too long. But I've never had a cleanser make me happier than this one. Oh yeah, baby. And a little bit goes a long way. Honestly, I didn't even need that much. Just like I remember. And it smells so fresh. Like, oh my god. I'm gonna hit my face with some toner. This says Bubble Balancing Mist. It's not though. It's actually this guy. I ran through the bubble mist, absolutely loved it, and then I replaced it with the toner because I love this little like mister so much. Oh my god, there's just something about spritzing a toner that is so satisfying. Hold on, I'm gonna put on some pajamas. Also, just got this mask in the mail. It's by SK2, I think is how you say it. This is apparently a very, very high-end skincare brand. Anyways, y'all know I love a little sheet mask, so let's freaking do it. Ooh, this is like a thick mask. Here we go. She's on there. She's looking good. All right. I'll link this down below too for you. This is like my nighttime. Oh, wait, no. We have a new lip mask. We gotta use it. Oh, I'm pretty sure this is a freaking spatula on top. A fresh lip mask. Oh. Wow, that is sex. That is sex. Oh, yup. Uh-huh. Laneige who? No, literally, this is already so much better than the Laneige lip mask, and I love that lip mask. Wow, and this just makes it even better. Looking good. Okay, really? That's nice. Okay, it's time to take this thing off. It's still so juicy. Well, girls, we made it. And I have a magnesium hot cocoa right here. Like, actually so good. It's so good. My little light is dead. My other one broke. So, sorry for the shitty lighting for the outro. The important thing is that I did everything I needed to do today. Did I get everything done I wanted to get done? No. But, you know, there's only so many hours in a day. I think we did well. Wish me luck for my busy week ahead. I'm wishing you luck for your busy week ahead. Also, can I just say my skin is feeling like $1,000,000. This is gonna die in 5 seconds, but I have to show you. My, like, skin right now. Like, the combination of that sheet mask with the Tatcha products, like, I mean, you're looking at it. I'm gagged. It'll all be linked in the description as per usual. There it goes. On that note, if you watched till the end, leave me a sparkly pink heart emoji. Hit the subscribe button. I post new videos every single weekend and I post almost daily on shorts. As a reminder, I will have everything linked in the description box down below that I mentioned, including my social media links. And if you liked this video, then make sure you check out these videos because you will love them as well. Okay, girls, I gotta go to sleep. I love you so, so much and I will see you next weekend. Bye.
언제나 함께 있었음 해 모든 게 다 통하니까 Feels like daydreaming 너와 있을 땐 난 I love my life